Welcome to the 2025 Subaru WRX Unity Drive review. Experience the ultimate blend of performance, agility, and all-weather capability. The 2025 Subaru WRX Unity Drive is redefining the rally-bred driving experience. In this presentation, we'll take you through the WRX's aggressive exterior design, premium interior features, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Get ready to unleash the ultimate driving experience. Exterior design. The 2025 Subaru WRX Unity Drive boasts an aggressive and aerodynamic design, featuring new LED headlights with daytime running lights, unique Subaru grille design, 19-inch forged alloy wheels, powerful and exterior mirrors, LED fog lights, rear spoiler. Its bold lines and aggressive stance command attention on and off the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the WRX Unity Drive offers premium leather appointment seating for 5 passengers, heated and ventilated front seats, 11.6-inch touchscreen display, Subaru Starlink infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Subaru EyeSight safety package, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Subaru WRX Unity Drive boasts 2.0L turbocharged flat-4 engine, 271 HP, 258 lp-f torque, 6-speed manual transmission, symmetrical all-wheel drive system, performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system, electronic stability control, Subaru's proprietary traction control system. The WRX Unity Drive delivers exceptional performance. 0-60.8 seconds. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. Quarter mile, 13.2 seconds. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Subaru WRX Unity Drive is available in 3 trim levels, based on $30,000. Premium starting at $33,000. Limited at starting at $36,000. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades to suit various driving needs.